How to use Pinterest ads for business. So first thing, make sure that you have your business account. Open your Pinterest, and then from here you can tap on your profile. Right here you can see I currently have a business account. You can tap on the three-dot bar right here, then tap on the settings right here, then you'll get the option of account management. Tap on that, and in here you'll get to see the option of business account. All you need to do is tap on it. Here you can see convert to personal account. Here you'll get to see the option of convert to business account. Tap on that one and then tap on convert, and you'll be able to convert your account into business account. So after doing that, all you need to do is set up your account for advertising. So after doing that, install the Pinterest tag and verify your domain. Then you can select your core campaign objective like awareness video views and consideration like best driving for high intent visitor directly to blog post or landing page. Then lastly, conversation best for e-commerce brand looking for secure product sales or email signups. The algorithm specifically optimizes delivery towards user most likely to buy. So after doing that, what you can do is layer your target audience, like add a keyword targeting and also interest targeting and act like audience. Then lastly, optimize the creative assets for visual search, and like that you'll be able to use your Pinterest ads for business. And that's it.